Are you looking for easy ways to whiten your teeth at home? A brighter smile can often feel like it's just out of reach. Professional whitening treatments promise dazzling results, but they come with a hefty price tag. But don't worry, there's a cost-effective alternative that's been gaining traction: DIY teeth whitening. This approach allows you to enhance your smile without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of teeth whitening right from the comfort of your own home. Before we get started, it's important to understand the basics of teeth whitening. Essentially, teeth whitening is a process that lightens teeth and helps remove stains and discoloration. The outermost layer of our teeth, known as enamel, is susceptible to staining from the food and drinks we consume. Common culprits include coffee, tea, and tobacco, which leave stains over time and cause our teeth to discolor or yellow. Now, it's crucial to note that teeth whitening is not a one-time procedure. It's something that needs to be done repeatedly to maintain that bright white smile. This is where good oral hygiene comes into play. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups help maintain the longevity of a teeth whitening treatment. Remember, teeth whitening is not about achieving unnaturally white teeth, but about lightening the existing shade of your teeth to bring back that natural, healthy-looking smile. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's jump into the process of DIY teeth whitening. Ready to get that dazzling smile? Here's the step-by-step process of DIY teeth whitening. First things first, let's gather all the necessary materials. You're going to need some baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a toothbrush, and of course a mirror to see that radiant smile of yours. These items are usually readily available in most households, so no need to worry about making any special trips to the store. Now let's move on to the process. Start by mixing equal parts of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide in a small bowl. You're aiming for a paste-like consistency. If it's too liquid, add a bit more baking soda. If it's too thick, add a smidge more hydrogen peroxide. You've got to find just the right balance. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, it's time to apply the paste to your teeth. This is where the toothbrush comes in. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and then gently brush your teeth just as you would with regular toothpaste. Remember, the key word here is gently. You don't want to scrub too hard and risk damaging your enamel. Now you might be wondering, how long should I brush? Well, you should aim for about 2 minutes. That's typically the recommended brushing time, whether you're using regular toothpaste or our DIY whitening paste. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You want to make sure that all the paste is removed from your teeth and gums. And voila, you've just completed a DIY teeth whitening session. But wait, there's more. It's important to note that this isn't a one-time deal. Consistency is key when it comes to teeth whitening. So, try to incorporate this into your daily routine for the best results. However, if you experience any discomfort or sensitivity, stop using this method immediately and consult with a dental professional. And there you have it, a simple and cost-effective way to whiten your teeth at home. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We've uncovered the basics of teeth whitening and walked through a simple do-it-yourself approach. The key steps include preparing your teeth, applying the whitening solution, and finally, rinsing thoroughly. However, moderation is crucial. Overdoing the process could lead to tooth sensitivity. So, while it's tempting to chase that dazzling white smile, always remember to put your oral health first. Remember, a bright smile is just a few steps away, but always prioritize your oral health over aesthetics. Happy whitening!